Modular arithmetic and naming the days in a week. Naming of days in a week, Monday to Sunday. For example, 6 days after a Friday is, hanapin natin yung blanco. 5 plus 6 is equal 11. 11 minus 7 is equal 4, Thursday. 6 days after Friday is Thursday. So, ayon kay Carl Friedrich Gauss, in 1777 to 1855, he discovered modular arithmetic and introduced the modern approach in his book, Discussions Arithmeticae, which was published in 1801. Modular congruence. Given an integer n less than 1 called a modulus, two integers are said to be congruent modulo n. If n is a divisor of their difference. If there is an integer k such as a, b is equal kn. Modular congruence is two integers a and b are congruent modulo n if and only if they have the same remainder when divided by n. In other words, for some integer k, positive or negative, a is equal b plus negative kn, or a negative b is equal kn. When two numbers are congruent modulo n, it is denoted by a, b mod n. Congruence modulo n is a congruence relation, meaning it is an equivalence relation that is compatible with the operations of addition, subtractions, and multiplication. Congruence modulo n is denoted a and b, which is mod n. The parentheses mean that mod n applies to the entire equation, not to just to the right-hand side. Here b, this notation is not to be confused with the notation b mod n without parentheses, which refers to the modulo operation. And then b mod n denotes the unique integer a, such as o less than a less than n, and a, b mod n the remainder of the b when divided n, explicitly showing its relationships with Euclidean division. However, b here need not be the remainder of the division of a by n. Instead, that the statement a, b, which is the mod n, asserts is that s, a is equal pn negative r, b is equal qn positive r, where o less than r less than n is the common remainder. Subtracting these two expressions that he recovered the previous relation. By the setting k is equal p negative q and modulus 12, one can assert that 38 for mod 12, because 38 negative equals 24, which is the multiple of 12. Another way to express this is to say that both 38 and 14 have the same remainder, like this: 2 when divided by 12, which is the definitions of congruence, also applies to negative values. 2 is equal negative 3 mod n 5.